Hey guys, welcome back. Myself Namita from Information Science and Engineering Department studying at Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering. So the topic of today's video is a conservation plan for the Cape Floristic region in South Africa. From the subject Environmental Protection and Management 21 CV 753. Let's get into the video. Introduction to the Cape Floristic region. The Cape Floristic region CFR is a small but biologically rich area located at the southern tip of South Africa, and it is recognized as one of the world's biodiversity hotspots. This region is famous for its remarkable plant diversity, meaning many of the species found here are unique to the region and are not found anywhere else in the world. It is recognized for its exceptional biodiversity, housing over 9,000 plant species. The region is particularly noted for its unique vegetation type, which is endemic to the area. The highly diverse and unique Cape Floristic region near the southern tip of South Africa has been a productive testing ground for evolving systematic conservation planning techniques. As plant species ranges contract, expand, and shift in response to climate change, new reserve selection methods are needed to account for this dynamism. Conservation planners are applying cutting-edge methods for integrating climate change species distribution models into the design of connectivity and protected areas in the Cape Floristic region. These modeling advances, when linked to specific land use policies and opportunities, provide a promising basis for implementing a set of actions to make conservation in the Cape robust to climate change. Importance of biodiversity. Biodiversity in the Cape Floristic region supports ecosystem services essential for human well-being. It provides resources such as food, medicine, and materials for local communities. Additionally, healthy ecosystems contribute to climate regulation and water purification. Systematic conservation planning. The effective conservation of biodiversity relies on ensuring both representation of the full variety of biodiversity pattern and its persistence by maintaining ecological and evolutionary processes. Systematic conservation planning sets out to achieve this end through a systematic and scientifically defensible method of selecting and prioritizing areas to achieve explicit conservation goals. And the set of environmental management principles are avoiding or where not possible to altogether avoid, minimize and remedying disturbance of ecosystems and loss of biological diversity. Applying a risk averse and cautious approach, taking into account effects of decisions on all aspects of the environment, including people, by pursuing the best practicable environmental option. Holding the environment in public trust and protecting it as the people's common heritage. Threats to the Cape Floristic region. Urbanization and agricultural expansion are major threats to the region's natural habitats. Invasive species pose of a significant risk, outcompeting native flora and fauna. Climate change is expected to exacerbate existing pressures affecting species distribution and ecosystem health. Restoration effects. Restoration projects focus on rehabilitating degraded habitats and re-establishing native species. Techniques such as controlled burns and invasive species removal are employed to restore ecosystem. Monitoring the success of these restoration efforts is critical for long-term sustainability. Protected areas and reserves. The region includes several national parks and nature reserves that safeguard critical habitats. These protected areas serve as refuges for endangered species and unique ecosystems. Ongoing management and monitoring are essential to ensure their effectiveness. Conservation goals. The primary goal is to protect and restore biodiversity within the Cape Floristic region. Another objective is to establish and manage protected areas effectively. Engaging local communities in conservation efforts is crucial for sustainable management. Community involvement. Local communities play a vital role in conservation efforts through traditional knowledge and practices. Education and awareness programs can empower communities to participate actively in conservation. Sustainable livelihoods initiatives can help balance economic development within environmental protection. Research and monitoring. Ongoing research is essential to understand the dynamics of the unique ecosystems in the region. Monitoring programs help track changes in biodiversity and assess the effectiveness of conservation strategies. Collaboration with universities and research institutions enhances scientific knowledge and capacity. Policy and legislation. Strong policies and legal frameworks are necessary to support conservation initiatives. The South African government, along with NGOs, play a significant role in developing conservation strategies. International cooperation is also essential for addressing transboundary conservation issues. Future directions. Future conservation efforts must adapt to the challenges posed by the climate change and human activities. Innovative conservation strategies, including technology and community engagement, will be essential. Building resilience in ecosystems and communities is key to ensuring the long-term sustainability of the Cape Forensic region. Thank you.